Hey guys, it's Tony. Good morning. I'm looking at PLTR. Looks like it will be completing phase one, which is what we talked about on the TA. Or not phase one, but scenario one. Scenario one is it rebounds off this 2250 level, shoots up to $25, $26, and then goes back down to the 2250 mark, and then back down again to like $19 or so. So short term, like I told you guys, I am still pretty short term. I am bearish. Long term, obviously, I'm extremely bullish. But it does look like we are going to be doing scenario one, at least for the most part. It does look like we are going to be completing that scenario one right now, and it's kind of following the pattern right now. So I'm just going to be waiting it out. But I do think that if we do hit 25.95 and we actually don't break that upwards on the level, I'm probably going to be buying puts on PLTR up there. But honestly, I'd probably buy calls right now on PLTR and just kind of run it all the way up to $26. But even then, right now, I think I'll probably wait it out to just play my strategy, and I'll probably be buying puts up here. But I'll see you guys later.